guys, and welcome to today's video. I am unboxing the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. If you guys haven't seen my Advent Calendar roundup, I'm going to link that down below, but I talk you through all the Advent Calendars that I have, although I think I have accumulated a couple more, so I might do a bit of a roundup, like another mini roundup quite soon. Let me know if you'd like to see that. This was one of the ones I was the most excited about, and actually I was so excited that my cousin sent me a screenshot, let me try and find it, and said, "Why are you so excited?" I'm just very excited about this calendar. I think it looks fab and I'm very excited to be unboxing it. Also a tiny bit sad to be unboxing it, because the fact that I'm unboxing it now means it's probably pointless that I unbox it in December as well. But some of you did ask me to unbox this calendar and the classic L'Occitane calendar together in one video, but I just think the video would be too long. If you guys do really want to see the classic one, then just let me know and I can film that as well. But for now, we're just unboxing the luxury one. The luxury one is £89 compared to the classic one, which is £49. The only real difference is packaging. The packaging on both is amazing, but this one's just that little bit more amazing. And this just has like a higher end product inside. It's £89. I would say L'Occitane is quite a mid to high price point brand. I think £89 is very, very reasonable. And as you probably saw in my last video, if you watched it, I just love the packaging on this. I just think it's wicked that you can just keep spinning it. It doesn't come apart either. I don't know if I made that clear in the last video, but it's like stuck but keeps spinning. It's just the coolest advent calendar I have ever seen. I really like it. It has 24 doors and is just the cutest, although I do think it's going to be quite hard for me to find the drawers. So let's get started with drawer number one. So this is drawer number one just here. As you can tell through the packaging, it's like little compartments almost. Inside drawer number one, it's a L'Occitane shower oil, 35ml. These shower oils are amazing. They're pricey as well. Great to travel with, or just great if you've never tried this product in general. I really, really like these. I use these to shave my legs and I just think they're great. So very excited about that. So this here is the L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lotion. It's for your body. These smell so good. It's 30ml. I love this. Oh, actually, is this one that smells good? Let's smell it. These just feel really luxe. I love L'Occitane. Oh, I love this smell as well. It's kind of, it's almost got like a luxury, you know, like the Johnson's pink like baby cream. I can't remember what it's called. It smells like a luxury version of that. Excited about that. Okay, there's box number 4. Have to take a mental note of that whilst I search for box number 3. Box number 3. This is a little mini hand cream, 10ml, so it is quite a small one, but it's the L'Occitane dry skin hand cream. Love all their hand creams, but this one I find is a little bit richer than some of the other ones. It's just great. Again, it's got that really classic L'Occitane scent, which I absolutely love. It's just perfect for your handbag. As I mentioned in my last video, I think advent calendars are really great if you're going to travel a lot the next year, or you just travel a lot generally and you want to collect some minis to travel with and just kind of keep in case you need them. On to box number 4, which is here. It's got a little face on it. Inside this is a lip balm. Love L'Occitane lip balms. I've never tried this one though. I think this is a similar, yeah, this is just a little mini one, but it's kind of all you need for a lip balm. I feel like lip balms don't really need to be too big. I mean, part of the fun of this advent calendar is just finding all the doors. It's way harder than in average advent calendars. I'm not sure I've ever used this. It's called Vervienne. This is a perfume. I do think this is typically quite a unisex calendar, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a very feminine fragrance, but it could be one that you share with your partner. Oh, it's quite citrusy. I like it. I'm not 100% sure I'd wear it. It smells a tiny bit like a mojito. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but that is in there. That is a 10ml fragrance. On to box number 6. I'll tell you one thing, like looking for all these boxes is tiring, because if you're doing it one a day I think it's fine, but continuously I'm like, where are the boxes? Oh, this looks interesting. This is a L'Occitane oil, divine oil. I have not used this, I can't comment on it, but and it's nice that although it's a mini, it still comes in a nice packaging with a pipette. I don't like when they're minis and you kind of have to like pour, but the normal one you wouldn't have to pour. It kind of ruins the experience a little bit, so very happy that that comes with a pipette. And it's a product I haven't tried, and it's always nice to try new products, and I think that's the charm of advent calendars, is the new products you get to try. Don't really buy an advent calendar to restock products you already have. I think it's to find new brands and new products. Box number 6 is just here. Don't think I've ever used this. This is a 5ml cream. Don't really have too much to say about it. I'm not sure if it's a face cream. Need to look into that. I don't know too much about that. Box 8. Again, lovely packaging. It resembles the full size but just in a smaller size, which is really nice. It's nicer than them throwing in less thought out packaging. This is the Immortelle Divine Creme. I think it says 4.2ml, but it's the writing is really small, so I could be wrong. And I think this is a face cream. It smells good. Oh, I like it. Unusual scent. I'm like, I can't explain it. What's different there? I feel like I can never explain scents. And I also think I might be mixing it a little bit with the perfume I just poured on my arm. This feels nice. I'm gonna have the softest hands by the end of this video. So on to 9 and 10. I'm taking both out because it just takes me too long to find each individual one. This here is a shampoo. Don't think I've tried L'Occitane shampoos, but I'd assume they'd be quite nice because I am a big fan of the brand. This is a 35ml, so you'll probably get a few washes out of that. That should probably last you actually about a week, I think. So it's a nice one to travel with if you're going away for a little bit longer. And then also in 10, I said also before checking, but yeah, there is a conditioner. Can I just say, I think it's really weird that in France they call it after shampooing. I feel like they should have a word for conditioner, but they don't. Well, I don't think they do because all the packaging says après shampooing, so I think that means after shampooing, and I think that's strange because I feel like it doesn't tell you what it does the same way that conditioner does. I guess conditioner doesn't tell you where it goes like after shampooing does, but at least conditioner tells you that it conditions your hair, and I prefer that idea. But so you do have a shampoo and conditioner, 35ml, again great for travelling. Oh, 11 is one of my all-time favourite L'Occitane products. This is a shower oil, but it's the almond one, and it smells amazing. It's just generally amazing. Again, I like to use this to shave my legs, and I just think it's a great product. It's quite a L'Occitane cult. I think a lot of these products are L'Occitane cults. If you love L'Occitane, I just think this is a great calendar so far. And generally I feel like L'Occitane is one of those brands that if you love beauty, you definitely love the hand creams and you love the oils. So I think it is very, very nice. And that'll be going, oh, I don't know, maybe in my shower, maybe in my travel bag. Haven't decided. 12 is a bar of soap, same range as the previous one, so it smells of almonds. I don't typically use soaps, but it's a cleansing and exfoliating soap, so I'll definitely give it a go. Oh wait, it's for your body. Wait, is it only available in French? Because my French is not that good. Oh wait, this exfoliating body soap helps sloughing away dead cells and stimulating skin microcirculation. That sounds very interesting. I've never used a soap like this, but it sounds like a soap I would like. So looking forward to trying that. 13 is again, same almond range. This is the milk concentrate with almond milk. What is this? Oh, it's just a body cream. Again, love the range. Oh, I have this in a tub actually, and I like it a lot because it smells so good. I've been like saving it because I just love the smell. That's a lovely one to have. That's a 20ml. 14 is just here, and inside is again from the almond range a soothing and beautifying supple skin oil. So I guess this is like an oil which you put on your skin instead of a moisturizer. Again, I love the scent, so I will love this. Although I don't use oils that much, if I'm completely honest, so I feel like this is one that would take me a while to get through, which I guess is why I would only need a small amount. This is a 15ml, and this 15ml would probably last me a whole year because I don't use oils on my body like once I'm out the shower that often, apart from my face. On my face I absolutely love them, but on my body I'm generally a little bit lazy to moisturise my body, and I find that oils are a little bit more time consuming. Actually, I don't know, I just don't really use oils, I'm not sure why. 15 is here, and again another hand cream. Great, you'll have all the scents by the end of this, and you'll have lovely supple hands. 16, again I don't really use soaps. This is from the Cherry Blossom range, and it's a perfume soap. I mean, I could easily put this in my bathroom, and I'm assuming someone would use it sooner or later, but not really my cup of tea. The only thing I would say about soaps is I feel like I should start using soaps just because environmentally I think they're a little bit better than buying bottles that you have a pump and you're just wasting so much plastic, whereas this is just a soap with some paper which can be more easily recycled than a plastic bottle. So it seems that we've gone through all the almond products and now we're on to the cherry blossom products. I think that they should have mixed them up, but they seem to be going in order. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but meh. This is a shimmering lotion, which I'm not sure everyone would love. I typically think these sort of products are really nice down the legs. How shimmery is this? I don't typically use them that often. I mean, is this shimmer? Oh yeah, it is slightly shimmer. Oh, it's a nice amount of shimmer. It's not too much. So I would definitely use this just over my legs, or maybe even like my décolletage and my like shoulders and arms. I think they look very nice in party season. 18, again, another hand cream, but this is from the Cherry Blossom range, and again, this is a 10ml, just like the other ones have been 10ml. Oh, this is a cleansing water, which is a nice product to see. It just removes your makeup. It comes with a pump. This is very interesting. I'm definitely going to try this. I've used their cleansing oils. I actually think I've got one in the bathroom, very almost finished, but I don't think I've ever used their cleansing waters. Is this just a micellar water? I suspect so, but it has got shea butter in it, which is interesting. I find that micellar waters make my skin very dry. Hopefully this one wouldn't do that. And it seems that you can use it on your face and your eyes. Box number 20, this is a comforting cream. Great just throughout the winter or just all year round. This is a 5ml. So if you haven't tried it before, this is a great way to try it. Is this 5ml? Yeah, it is a 5ml. I mean, it is quite small. 21 is a moisturizer prep essence. So I think it's almost like a serum that you like press into your skin. I have got something similar to this and I really like it, so hopefully this one will be great. Again, packaging wise, love that it's got a proper pump and they haven't just been a bit lazy with the packaging because it is a smaller size. That makes me very happy. Box 22, now we're on to the ultra quenching range, I think, because the other product was an ultra thirst quenching range. This is a gel. This is in a 8ml size, so you probably got a few days worth in there. 2 doors to go, 23, which is just here. I'm going to take them out now because it takes me so long to find them. 23, 24. So this one here is a Radiance Balm. Not sure what you use a Radiance Balm for. Treat your skin. So I guess maybe it's almost like a highlighter. Oh, it's like very rich. It kind of reminds me of like Egyptian cream or Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour cream. It's kind of like very sheeny, rich cream. Oh, it smells quite nice. I think this is the sort of product you would use again anywhere you want a bit of sheen down your legs, potentially on your tops of your cheek, but not one I would use all over. I've never seen this product, very interested in it, and I guess that's one that I've discovered in this calendar. And then finally, and typically the best product, this is a fragrance. I have got this fragrance actually. This is a little version. This is a 5ml. Again, cute packaging. It's quite a grown-up scent, that's the only thing I would say, but I don't think this calendar is for anyone under the age of like 25, I wouldn't say. But I'm 26 and I do think this is a nice calendar, so I'm assuming me at 24 would still have thought this was a nice calendar, but typically I think it's like 25 and over because me at 21, maybe not as keen on this calendar. Actually, I've always liked L'Occitane if I'm honest. But that's just a little perfume, it's a little fragrance, and this one is quite a slightly more feminine fragrance. So that is the end of this video, or at least of my unboxing, but I feel like it's only fair I give you my opinion on the calendar and a bit of a roundup. So this box is £89, as I mentioned at the beginning. I think what really sold me on this box was the packaging. The packaging is just beautiful, and opening them in a row was an absolute pain because I had to find the box, but I feel like if you're opening one box a day, it's kind of fun to have to search for that box, and the whole like twisting the box is quite a fun experience as well, as ridiculous as that sounds. Essentially you are getting 24 products, but they're all quite small. So I'm not sure. I feel like if you are buying this box, just prepare yourself for that. It is only £89, which as far as advent calendars go, especially from a mid to luxury brand like L'Occitane, is very, very good. There aren't any other brands that are a similar price point to L'Occitane that are doing advent calendars at this price point, especially with 24 doors. And I do kind of prefer 24 doors, but I think had they put 12 doors in this, but doubled the product, I think I would have been a little bit more excited. I think typically I'm kind of quality over quantity, so I'd rather slightly bigger products but have less of them, because I feel like sometimes it's a bit of a faff to have 24 minis. I would potentially prefer 12 products that are double the size, but that is massively a personal preference, and I think the issue with that is that you don't get to try and discover as many products. Overall, I think this is it's an okay calendar, and it's a great calendar for the right person. Packaging wise, I think it's a great calendar, but it is definitely for the right person because the products are a little bit on the small size, but I think that's just to do with the price point. And I think I would use every single product in here, even that fragrance I wasn't very keen on. I'm sure I would get through sooner or later just because I would plop it in my handbag, and because it's such a good size, and use it. Hand creams, always use. Lip balms, always use. Face creams, oils, all those sort of products I always use. I really do think I would use every single product in here, and that is very, very rare. Even the bar of soap, sooner or later I would get through that bar of soap, even if it's just to make my underwear drawer smell nice. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you'd like to see me unbox next, and also let me know your thoughts on this calendar down in the comments. Down below I'm gonna have loads of links. I might even link to each individual product down below as well, hopefully. But I shall see you all very soon. Bye.